Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. Moving on to the interior, this Denali is fully loaded with power windows and door locks, memory seat, it has a power liftgate in the rear, heads-up display, heated and cooled seats, navigation, front collision alert, lane keep assist, all kinds of goodies. The rear passenger compartment with heated bucket seats, a pass-through to the third row seat, and a couple of USB ports there as well. Our all-wheel drive Denali Acadia has a 3.6 liter paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 GMC Acadia, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.